Fang lights, signature lights, whatever you want to call them. Chemimoto sent us these super cool RGB ones. They come with everything you need. Super easy plug into the factory plug. And so the first thing you're gonna need to do is pop off this cowl here. And then there'll be a bunch of Torx heads that you have to remove. And a couple up in here. And all these little tabs, they'll have clips on them that you gotta pop off. And then you just pop these panels off. And there's a few bolts in the back of the headlight that you gotta undo. This one here, and there'll be one up in here. And then your headlight will just kind of swing out of the way. And even if you don't have the Fang lights in there, Can-Am's already got a plug for you. You just plug right into this dummy plug right here. On both sides, be sure to pop them out. And you gotta kinda finagle with this piece here. And the whole front end will just kinda lift off there, and then we can pop those old ones out and install the Chemimoto ones. So to remove the dummy lights, it's going to be a screw up there and one down in there, both 8mm. Same on this side. One there, one down in there. We'll just pop those out and we'll put the other ones in. Alright, we got the dummy ones out. Now let's go ahead and install these new Chemimoto ones. Alright, now that we got them in, we can throw this piece back on the car. And these lights, they just go right up to all the factory spots. You will kind of have to wrestle them in there, but you just bolt them down and we can throw this piece back on the car and put it all back together. Right, once you get that back on there, you can go ahead and put all these pieces back on. I'm gonna slap them on real quick and then I'll come back and show you how to hook up the wiring. That all snaps back together real easy. So now we're just gonna go ahead and put all these Torx nuts and clips back on here. And we can go ahead and wire them up. So once you do all that, now we go ahead and do the wiring. We made it super easy with that too. Right to the right light, left to the left light. These go to your blinkers if you're gonna hook them up to blinkers. And this just plugs right into your factory signature light, or if you didn't have them before, the plug that was in the dummy light. It also comes with the instructions if you need them, and extra wire if you are hooking up your blinkers. I'm gonna go ahead and put these in there and then I'll come back and show you where to plug everything in. All right, so we got the lights hooked up. We got our right and our left. Now you're just gonna take this plug in the control box here and plug it right into there. cell. And then should be good to go. And there we go. I'll have to come back and see them at night, but there's a bunch of different light patterns you can run. There's an app you can download and control it from your phone. But we're gonna have to come back and see this at night. Here's what they look like at night. Super bright. Not bad. Well, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.